Hello YouTubers. Well, I'm about ready to show you how easy it is to prime your fuel after you ran out of gas or you changed the fuel filter. Now this particular Sprinter is a 2002, and of course I got the 5-cylinder 2.7 liter. So I was all over the internet looking for a way to prime this, but I couldn't really find anything, so I made this video. So if here's your Sprinter, this is the fuel pump. Right here is the fuel pump, and it won't work if there's air in the line. So all you have to do is get a hose and connect it to the fuel pump, to the fuel filter right there, the line coming from the gas tank, and then you take that hose and you just put it up as high as you possibly can, full of your diesel fuel. And what I did is I blew on the hose to pressurize it while I was cranking the engine, and that seemed to help. But it's supposed to work by gravity. It's gravity fed, and so of course there would be a lot of air in the line and you might get it coming out of the hose. But here's the measurements of my hose, and it worked. I had to crank it a few times. I had to fill up the hose a few times, but yet that's all I did is I connected this hose to the fuel filter. As you can see, that's my line coming in, and yeah, and it worked, and now my truck is running. So because I changed the fuel filter and I didn't fill up the filter like I was supposed to, and I got air in the line. So that's it. So I believe if you have, I know this works with a 2002 and a 2003, but it might also work up to 2006, because this is the way the fuel pump, that's the fuel pump right there. And of course this is the brake booster line. This is your intake, and the one on top is your output. So some people say to remove this, but you don't have to. All you gotta do is gravity feed it right into the fuel filter, and you should start. That's it.